by the time you hear this, I will have already spiraled up. I would never do nothing to let you cowards fuck my world up. If I was you, I would duck or get struck like lightning fighters. Keep fighting, put your lighters up, point them skyward.
Hey guys, it's Mr. Kino. Well, I'm not Mr. Kino anymore. I'm gonna make a name change. It's kind of old. I don't play Xbox as much anymore, so I'm gonna try to get this channel away from gaming. Maybe a few more videos, as because I'm getting a HD PVR. But this is just a random video since I haven't made one in a while. That's what I got today. This is the size of a regular Zippo. See the differences? Yeah. Mini Zippo. Yeah. Well, it's pretty much the exact same as a real Zippo. For the real Zippo, you have flick it open, and it's just regular Zippo. It's out of butane right now, so probably won't go. This one, really like the same, kind of same concept. Can't get a view with that flame. You get the point. Just sparker and a little flint. Pull it out. Looks like the exact same as a real Zippo. Well, it is a real Zippo, just like a big Zippo. Comes out with the stuff in there. These Zippos, same thing. Comes out with the butane in there. Some cool tricks you can do with these are the leg trick. It's old, but yeah. You have your lighter, and then you flick it. Just pop it down on your leg, and then back up. And that creates a spark. So you put it down. As it comes down, it opens the lid, and then push it back up into your leg. Creates a spark. So then it just lights. As I do not have any flame fluid, it will not light. Another cool trick that I like is the flick trick. And a quick motion, that's really cool. It's like, and usually lights. The mini one, we'll see it better since there is butane in it. You do that, and then just pop back over. Can't do the leg one with this since the lid's really frail on these. It's kind of more for show. But yeah, it's my litter collection. That one. That one. That one. Those are just my Zippos. I have a few more, but I have no idea where they are. Well, thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna make more, maybe one on headphones later. But please comment, subscribe, like, and just give me new ideas for stuff to do for videos. Thanks.